Today is the World Day Against Child Labor. Today must also be a wake-up call. India is striving for renewal of her economy through employment generation and attracting foreign investment. These are welcome and necessary steps. But the big question is, what is the workforce that is expected to revive our economy? There are over 1 crore child laborers in India. These children are trafficked, denied their education, and enslaved. Is this the workforce that will take us to a greater economic heights? Who can end child labor in India? First, businesses must ensure that they do not employ child labor in their supply chains. Second, consumers must demand child labor-free goods and services. Third, governments must enable and enforce this. Ending child labor will lead to economic growth by generating employment for adults and attracting international investors by countries who are obliged to ensure labor rights and standards in their supply chains. Economic growth and child labor cannot go hand in hand. This World Day Against Child Labor, I urged businesses and corporations to take a moral responsibility and demonstrate deep compassion and a sense of urgency to stop employing child labor. I urge corporate leaders to come forward and end child labor. If we fail to act now with the sense of absolute urgency, we will lose an entire generation of children. We must not fail our children because they are all our children.